Hi, Ney Ney. It's day 3. You're being a good mama. Can we take a look at your babies? Let's see. This one right here, her name is Angel. Over here, we have Holly. Then on the nipple, which we could pull off for a second, this is Hope. Then that's Angel. We have this one over here, this mark on her back. Her name is Joy. The light brown one, her name is Faith. Stay still, Faith. Where you running? Snuggling for? Don't be squirming. And this little boy right here. This little boy right here, yes. His name is Seven. Jasmine's his mom. We got Grandma over there still supervising. And 3, 6, we are missing one. Hang on a second. Sorry. And this little tiny one right here, who's hiding in the corner. Her name is Special. That's the babies. Sorry, Special. Sorry, I didn't mean to mess with you. Go back in there. They're all happy and healthy. And Ney Ney's taking really good care of them. Good job, Ney Ney. Good job.